Yo, what's up guys, this is RB on two wheels. So today I'm going to be working on this 2012 Kawasaki Ninja 650R, and I do have a couple of stuff I'm going to be fixing: side mirrors, handlebar mirrors, windshield. I'm going to be also changing my air filter from stock to Canon, and also since the bike doesn't want to start, here it is. So I need to check all my wirings and the battery to see that everything is working fine and everything is installed right. So let's jump into it. So we're gonna start by removing both the firings on each side. To do that, we're gonna screw bolt here. There are two on top, and then you have two others underneath the bike, and then on the other side same thing. Now I'm going to move the headlight, the windshield. These four bolts, and then that's it. Limited bike. Battery here, so we're going to test it and see how it works, because it has to be 12 volts. Put it on 20. Negative or negative. Okay. Yeah, it says about 12 volts. Yeah, everything is good to me. Alright, so now it's time to take off the tank. To take off the tank, what you do is you have to unscrew the two bolts. One on the right side and then the other on the left side. Now you're gonna have to remove these plastics on the side of the tank. To do that, it has a cork roll, so you need to be careful that you don't break it. So now, since we took off the tank cover, we're gonna have to unscrew these bolts in order to get to release the tank. So there are 1, 2. There is another a third bolt here. You need to unscrew that. This one here. Alright, now that the tank is out of the way, so now we have to get to the air filter. To get to the air filter, we have to unscrew all these bolts you see here. 1, 2, 3. There are a couple of others here. So now that that's out of our way, we're gonna disconnect this and also this here. There you go. Trying to disconnect it. Okay, so this one is disconnected. I'll just put it there. So this is the cover. Now the filter has one screw which you're gonna need to unscrew, take off. This one here. Goes so easily. See, it wasn't that dirty. See, I last changed this last year, so yep, so it's time to change it again. Here is my new one, Canon high performance high flow air filter. So this is it. So this one here, the reason as why I bought this is because I just cleaned this. I don't need to buy a new one for a couple of years. Just clean it and then put it back in. So if you have a Kawasaki Ninja 650 or any bike, you can just buy a filter, Canon filter, and then you don't need to worry about changing it like how you would do on a stock filter like this one, because this is paper, you know, so yeah, it saves you money. All right, let's put this bad boy back in. There you go. It fits perfectly. That's how I like it. Don't forget to put the screw back in. Go. So now it's time to put this bad boy back on the cover. If you don't have anyone to help you, you don't need to worry about it. Alright, now everything is connected back, so it's time to put our tank back on. Now it's time to install our windshield. The next thing to do is we're going to put everything back on, and we call it a fantastic day. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and please like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Arabi on two wheels is out. Until then, peace. So yeah guys, this is the product I have installed on my bike, the handlebar side mirror. It's almost $19, so who can beat that? And it's free shipping. And also I bought my filter. Where is it? My canine filter right here. It was $56 and it's free shipping. So with this you can just clean it. You don't need to buy a new one like the factory filter, which is like paper filter. So with this you just remove it, clean it and put it back in. So they have all the things you need to clean it. So yeah guys, that's it, and I'll let you know how the meter holds up in wind, like when I'm going 100 miles per hour. Alright, peace. And if you want the link to all these products, I will leave them in my